that was FSM fine. I have to go very fast to be on time. We'll have a Q&A session at the end. We can extend the time for those who can stay. And please put your questions in the chat if you have. We can also activate microphones at the end of the session. FSMappoint, although it's not directly to Microsoft, but it links to the rest of the story because appointments could be in Microsoft Calendar as well. We have challenges expressed by some of the customers that I don't use another ticketing system because I have only FSM, and my service agents using customers and talking to customers, like mainly in the B2C scenarios, that we need to fix an appointment when they call. They're on the phone that would like to fix an appointment. So I'm creating a service call, let's say, and we're just looking for an appointment. What is the best time slot and who can do it and so on. That's not possible on the creation screen. So they have to save it and they have to search for it and maybe use other standards. So it's like multiple steps that they have to go. This provides a, let's say, appointment booking mechanism on the spot, real time, for the ones that are actually on the phone using FSM to give a customer an appointment time. So these appointment options are shown in FSM. You can have like on the date, this defaulted to your day. You could look for today or tomorrow, or you could have like different dates if you like. And then based on your needs, in this case, every 2 hours, customers wanted every 2 hours to get the best time slot for appointment. It could be configured like every hour, for example. Shows the best option I have, how long and what's the distance that they have to travel. So as a service agent, I'd like to optimize and, for example, send Marcus. I could say to the customer, we can come at 1 o'clock, but the customer say, oh, no, at 1 o'clock is not possible. So there is negotiation in here between the customer and service agent to find the best option. But obviously, as a service provider company, I'd like to minimize our travel. So the best option for me is 12 as a service agent, but that may not be possible because customer may not be available. There's a skills also shown in here. If the job comes already with the skill as you create it, the skills missing and mandatory and optional. And also it shows some last visits. So if it's important to show, okay, Marcus has been with this customer 8 times. Or with this specific equipment 2 times, when was the last time and so on, if it's important. And also we could include your custom criteria if you have a scoring system and so on that you'd like to see it against each person and option time, we can calculate and show it in here. So when I select Ralph, for example, then an option opens that I can assign it. It's just assigned on the planning board and I can decide later, or I can immediately release it if I'm 100% sure. So out of this service call screen creation, then an activity is created, an assignment created and released automatically. And I can immediately on the phone give a customer, now fix an appointment with the customer. That's specifically designed for the scenario that's really the service agent talking to a consumer. It brings the customer waiting time down and reduces our travel time because we're booking appointments. That is now we try to be optimized as a service agent, and accuracy is obviously higher because now we are not blinded of the best appointment options. So that was FSMappoint.